Number 29, ASMR. ASMR. The whole concept is so weird, right? But hey, there are loads of channels. You want to start a YouTube channel, but you have no idea as to what your YouTube channel will be about. Here's 50 ideas just for you. Number 1, tech reviews. Maybe you absolutely love gadgets and you will be able to review tech in a way that is really interesting to other people. So have a tech review channel. Number 2, gaming channel. You absolutely love gaming and therefore this would be right up your alley or street. Don't know which one it is, but how about a gaming channel? Number 3, DIY projects. You love renovating your kitchen. You love fixing things. So DIY, does that sound good to you? Number 4, fitness and health. You absolutely love all things related to fitness and health. You love going to the gym and maybe you could even document that. I know I watch a woman and she has a channel and she shows us how walking has actually helped her health. And I think it's really great. So maybe fitness and health. Number 5, cooking and recipe tutorials. Maybe you are known as the best cook in the family and you have cooked like a delicious pasta. So maybe you can even show those things and share it with the world. Share your cooking knowledge with the world. Number 6, vlogging. You know that whenever you like to go someplace or you like to just share those experiences. So why not vlog about your life and share those experiences? Number 7, closely linked but travel and adventure, right? Maybe you're a person who travels so often and you'd love to document this through video format. Maybe you could have a YouTube channel about that. Then you may think, hey, but I don't even travel far. I don't go anywhere. I don't fly anywhere. Maybe your hometown would be fascinating to other people. Maybe you live in Chicago, which I think is pretty cool. I've never been. I'd love to watch videos about Chicago, right? So depending on where you live, it may not be interesting to you, but somebody else may find it fascinating. So go ahead, create that travel channel. Number 8, beauty and makeup tutorials. I know that before I buy a makeup product, whether it's lipstick, mascara, etc., I'm checking out a YouTuber to see whether they have said this product is great or not. So if you love all things related to makeup, go ahead, start that channel. Number 9, fashion hauls and lookbooks. If you are a fashionista, show us what we can do with fashion. Number 10, educational content. Maybe you are really great at maths or science. Share it because there's so many people who'd like to learn. So educational content is a great YouTube channel idea. Number 11, music tutorials. I don't know how to play a guitar. I don't know how to play the piano, But if you do and you'd like to teach other people, have a music tutorial channel. Number 12, pet care and training. I know that somebody got a fish and they didn't know how to take care of it, but they watched a YouTube video about how to take care of a fish. So this is also a good channel to have, whether you like to talk about dogs or cats, etc., and how to take care of them, maybe this would work for you. Number 13, unboxing and product reviews. So maybe you want to actually unbox the latest iPhone, or you want to unbox the latest laptop or the latest water bottle. Who knows, okay? But unboxing is also like a really interesting YouTube channel idea because people may not have the money to buy a certain thing, but they want to watch somebody else unbox it and tell us all about it. Number 14, motivational and inspirational content. I know if I'm feeling low, then I want to watch a YouTube video about how to feel good, how to feel better on a day that you are just feeling crappy. And there are millions of other people like me who want to just listen to something motivating and uplifting and inspiring. So if you are somebody who is inspirational, maybe this is your calling. Number 15, life hacks and tips. Maybe you know how to actually organize your home in such a wonderful way. You just have all these wonderful life hacks. Maybe this channel is for you. Number 16, book reviews. Now, I love reading, and there are so many wonderful YouTubers who review books, and it's brilliant. Number 17, photography and videography tips. So for aspiring photographers, you can give them these wonderful tips, as well as for videographers. Because remember, the more you share your knowledge, the more people you are able to help along the way. Number 18, parenting tips. Especially if you're a new parent, right? You want to know what to actually do. So if you have helpful tips and advice to share, then this could be perfect for you. Number 19, finance and budgeting. And these are popular, yes, because we all want to know how do we budget effectively, etc. And if you have this knowledge, do share it. Number 20, art and drawing tutorials. So you're an artist and you'd like to show us how to paint this beautiful picture of this sunset, okay? And I know that it's really relaxing watching other people paint, etc. So if you love art, then share it as well. Number 21, food challenges. Take on food-related challenges and document it. I know some people like watching this. I don't, but other people do. Number 22, mental health and wellness. Maybe this has been part of your career. Maybe you'd like to continue to tell people about best practices for great mental health and for them to be aware of how they can cope when they are not having a great day, etc. Number 23, car reviews and auto content. So maybe you love cars, you absolutely love that. And you want to actually have this community where you can have people who engage with all things cars. Number 24, storytelling or animation. Maybe you're known as somebody who creates short stories or animation for entertainment and for educational purposes as well. Number 25, science experiments. Maybe your YouTube channel can be all about science. Number 26, productivity and time management. You know how to actually use your time wisely, but not all of us do. So perhaps share your wisdom. Number 27, food reviews. You're an absolute foodie. Show us how you go to this restaurant and you taste this burger, and then you go to the next restaurant the following week, of course, and taste that pasta and tell us how it all went. Yes? Number 28, self-improvement and personal growth. Maybe you are somebody who makes the time and effort to focus on personal growth and self-improvement, and you'd like to share what you've learned along the way so that you can help somebody else on their journey of self-improvement. Number 29, ASMR. ASMR. The whole concept is so weird, right? But hey, there are loads of channels create relaxing and soothing sounds for stress relief. By the way, if you're getting value from this, comment below and say hello. And also do subscribe, because I create videos about YouTube and how to grow, because I'm also growing with this channel at the moment. 32 subscribers. Yay! Number 31, reaction videos. So whether you're reacting to viral videos, trailers, TV shows, etc. Number 32, sports and fitness challenges. Maybe you are taking part in this really difficult marathon, etc. Document it. Number 33, sustainable living. We want to do what's best for our planet. Maybe you can document how you are doing that, what ways you are focusing on to be very environmentally friendly. That was a mouthful. Number 34, virtual tours. Offer virtual tours of historical landmarks, the best places to see within a particular city, etc. You know, we can't always physically be somewhere because of the cost of flights, etc. So maybe you can make everything come to us. Number 35, tech tutorials. I didn't know how to use Canva before. Maybe you could teach us that. I didn't know how to use an iPhone before. Maybe you could teach us that. It's always very important to have channels where they are teaching you how to actually use tech. Number 36, home organization and decluttering. Decluttering. So teach us how to be neater, more organized, more efficient. Teach us. Number 37, online business tips. We all want to find different sources of income. So if you have had an online business that has been successful, maybe you'd like to teach us and share that knowledge. Number 38, comedy and skits. Maybe you're a funny person. So show us your humor. Let us laugh too. Number 39, true crime. Maybe you love it. You absolutely love all these murder mysteries. Tell us about it. We'd like to know. Number 40, anime and manga reviews. I don't even know what this is really about. Let me know if you do. Comment below. Number 41, sewing and fashion design. So you sew your own dresses and you love it. You love sewing. And I'm sure there are so many thousands of people who also love sewing, but they don't know how to sew. So teach them how to sew. Number 42, environmental advocacy. Maybe you are somebody who's so passionate about recycling, etc. Teach us about it so that we can also make a difference. Number 43, language learning. Maybe you're a Spanish teacher and you also want to teach Spanish with a YouTube channel. Go ahead. Hola. Number 44, political commentary. Whoa, there's always so much to talk about when it comes to politics, right? So if you love talking about politics, you are in the business with so many other people who also love talking about politics and listening to things about politics. So go ahead and create that channel. Students, you aren't left out. How about life as a student kind of YouTube channel? Because people love to see other university students, other students experiencing their university life. Doesn't even have to be in the same hometown. Just because they like to see relatable content. You can share study tips and how you're navigating university life. Number 46, similar to the other one, but health and fitness challenge. Maybe you've set your own health and fitness goals and you are going to walk us through, talk us through, video the whole process so that we join you. Number 47, elder care and advice. We all have parents that are getting old, etc. Maybe you know how to care for somebody who's elderly and you can help us, guide us through this process. Superman! No, not really. But number 48, superhero and movie theory. So if you love Spider-Man, Superman, all the men, so maybe this channel is for you. Number 49, meme reviews, okay? Maybe you are fascinated by them. Share your fascination. Number 50, baking and pastry tutorials. Maybe you bake the best pies ever, but you can't keep that to yourself. You need to let us know. So please do. Now, obviously, these ideas can be adapted, right? Find what works best for you from these various YouTube channel ideas. But the thing is, get started. Don't say that you don't have the right equipment. I'm using my phone right now. This is my phone. I've always used my phone. So watch this video about how I use my phone to create all my YouTube videos.